Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use GEMs in Gemini to save time with AI. All right, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Google Gemini and click on the official website. Once the Gemini page loads, look at the top left corner and click on the menu icon to open more options. Inside the menu, find the option labeled GEMs and select it. This section gives you access to different AI tools designed to help with tasks like learning, writing, and problem solving. After opening GEMs, browse through the available options. You can expand the list to view more tools and choose one based on your needs. Next, enter a question and submit it. The AI will generate a clear and structured response, helping you understand complex topics quickly. You can continue using different GEMs for various tasks, making your workflow faster and more efficient. So that's basically how you can use GEMs in Gemini to save time with AI. That's it for this video. Thanks.